Have you ever get a problem with a Logitech GPRO X headband buckle broken issue? Here I am introducing an original replacement solutions, which are including inner half buckle, out half buckle, swivel. They are all new spare parts from China original manufacturer. Two color options earpod also will be your best option to renew your headphone. Two texture options, protein poo and fabric. What I am showing is fabric earpod, fabulous quality. More repair parts options for Logitech G935 G933 are available as well.